This bike is in the way, and it happens again and again to all bikes when we try and bring them in for security or to make them last longer. It doesn't matter whether you're an apartment renter or a commuter or just someone trying to put bikes in a garage, the same thing happens again and again. The handlebars get in the way because they stick way out, and the pedals are dangerous. You hit that with your shin and you're going to remember it for days. Wouldn't it be great if we could make the bike flat instantly? But how are we going to do that? It's easy when you have a Flatten Your Bike Kit from Flatbike. Just take the stem, lift your handlebars, and fold. And now your bike can fit against the wall, or heck, even put it on the wall. And flat bike pop-off pedals are so easy to remove, you can do it with one hand. But redundant latching keeps your pedal on during even the most rugged rides.
When you want to store your bike in the car, you want to put it on a bike rack, don't want your pedals to scratch things up. If you want to take your bike and just throw it on the floor, you won't have to worry about scratching your pedals up because you can take them right off. All you got to do to get the pedals on, you slide them on like that, bong, and they're in there. All right, here we go. Oh.
That's the magic of a Flatten Your Bike Kit from Flatbike. It means you can fold your bike flat and bring it inside. You can put it against the wall, put it on the wall, put it in a small room, put it in the hallway conveniently. Most importantly, you're bringing it inside so it lasts longer and it's less likely to get stolen. You can also transport it easier. Take it places without scratching and trying to get the handlebars to work well with other bikes. It's all simple. We call it portable adventure, and we think it's life-changing. What do you think?